Okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an RGB, red, green, blue image of the lunar eclipse from this morning, November 8th, 2022. Once again, you'll navigate within the YouthAstroNet portal to your JS9 image processing window, and you'll click on the MicroObservatory Image Directory to open up the directory of all the images that have been taken over the last 10 days. I'm going to move this aside again so I can see my JS9 window, sort by object, and choose the moon. By the way, you can always use this image directory if some of your images fail that you request within the YouthAstroNet portal. So I'm going to choose the moon, and now I have a list of all the moon images that were taken. And for the RGB image of the moon, I'm going to suggest that you sort by telescope and click it twice, so you reverse sort, so the telescope ED, the last in the alphabet, starts first. ED in Massachusetts, because it turns out the telescope in Massachusetts had a good set of red, green, blue images early this morning. And so I'm going to scroll down until I find those red, green, and blue images. And there they are right there. Red, green, and blue. So let's open the red one first. And remember, to get it into the image processing window of JS9, you click on the file name that ends in .fits. Click and drag. And now I have the image that was red. I'm going to color it red. There. I'm going to go back to the image directory, find that window, and go to the next one, and I can see this is the green filtered image of the moon. I'm going to click and drag that in, and I'm going to color that green. And then I'm going to find that blue one. There it is there. And drag that in. And, I think I need to do a little more processing on this one to get better. There we go. Maybe do that. Color that blue. And now I'm going to use the RGB mode. And without very much processing, I have that kind of orangish color of the full moon at full eclipse, with the shadow, with the sun's rays being kind of refracted around the earth, so just the reddish light gets to the moon. With some processing, you can get actually a much nicer orangey color. I'm going to leave that to you using the tutorials on creating RGB images, but I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on accessing these red, green, and blue filtered images from the MicroObservatory Image Directory.